everyone, thank you for being here today. We are very excited to share something interesting with you. Our presentation is Islamic Financial Innovation, Enhancing Existing Financial Product with Technology and Ethical Principle. This is BarakahFund. BarakahFund is a Sharia-compliant microfinance platform that supports students and young entrepreneurs with blockchain technology and a digital wallet. Using Wakalah and Mudorobo contract, the platform ensures fair, transparent, and user-free financing. BarakahFund also automates the financing process through smart contract, creating an inclusive and sustainable entrepreneur ecosystem. Problem statement. First, many young entrepreneurs and students have potential, but have difficulty accessing Sharia financing. Second, conventional financial institutions still use an interest system riba and heavy collateral recruitments. Next, lack of transparency and trust in fund management makes potential recipients hesitant. And the last one, digital Sharia financial literacy among the younger generation is still low, limiting their access and participation in the digital economy.
Key filters. The first one is easy submission, online process fast and transparent. And then second, monitoring funds is investor can monitor fund and business development. And the third, fair profit sharing, that Mudoroba scam without usury. And then the fourth, education and mentoring is Sharia business and finance materials. And then five, legal and Sharia is in accordance with regulation, rules, and religious provision. And then six, easy investment is investors choose project according to risk and Sharia value. And then target audience. The first one is young entrepreneur, small business beginner, net funds without collateral. And then second, student is want to start a business need affordable Sharia capital. And then halal MSMIS, this is halal business that needs Sharia financing. And then product design. The first one is Wakalah Mudoroba, the platform as an investor representative or Wakalah distributed fund to business using a profit sharing system or Mudoroba, and then without interest. The second is digital platform, easy and transparent access via digital technology. The third is Sharia crowdfunding, Sharia-based collective funding for micro and small business.
Next, I will explain the technology we use in BarakahFund. At BarakahFund, we combine several digital technologies to ensure that the financing process runs easily, secure, and transparent. There are four main technologies that we use. First, we use a digital wallet. The purpose is to store, transfer, and receive funds quickly without relying on traditional banks. With these features, students, small entrepreneurs, and investors can connect directly, more easily, and more efficiently. So financial services are accessible anytime and anywhere. And then the second, we use blockchain technology. This technology ensures that all transactions are permanently recorded and cannot be changed. This is very important to build trust because the entry flow is fully transparent and can be tracked by anyone. In addition, blockchain helps reduce the risk of fraud and speed up the administrative process. And then the third is we use smart contracts. These are digital agreements that automatically carry out the terms that have been agreed upon. For example, fund disbursement, business verification, and profit sharing are all automated, making the process faster, safer, and then the reduction manual errors. Smart contracts also make the whole system more efficiently because it doesn't need slow manual checking. And then the last one is digital Sharia crowdfunding platform. This platform offers a fully integrated system for project registration, selection, business presentation, fund manager, and performance reporting. Investors can monitor progress in real time, promoting transparency and trust. Besides technology, the most important thing in this platform is compliance with Sharia principle. We make sure that all financing activity in BarakahFund fully follows Sharia rules. There are three main components that we apply. The first one, we apply the Wakalah contract. This means BarakahFund acts as a representative of the investor to distribute funds to entrepreneurs. In this contract, BarakahFund only acts as a middleman, not the owner of the funds. The funds remain the investor property, and we just help to manage and distribute them. And then the second, we use the mudarabah contract, which is a profit sharing system. So in this system, investors provide the capital and entrepreneurs run the business. The profit will be shared based on a mutual agreement, without interest or riba. If the business makes a profit, it will be shared fairly. If this is a loss, the investor will bear the loss in capital, while the entrepreneur will lose their time and efforts. This is fair and fully in line with Sharia principle. Next, last but not least, all of our activities are supervised by a Sharia board and are in accordance with the regulation and legal provisions. So inshallah, all transactions in Barakah funds are free from riba or interest, qarar, and moisture.
To ensure operational sustainability, build investor confidence, and maintain full Sharia compliance, Barakah Fund has developed a comprehensive risk management and governance framework. First is on financial risk, where we use standardized mudarabah contracts that clearly define profit sharing roles and ratio, which reducing the chance of disputes. Every applicant is subjected to risk profiling using algorithm-driven assessments. We implement smart contracts to automatically monitor fund disbursement and performance. And to ensure resilience, a liquidity buffer is set up to handle unexpected payout risk. Second, for our operational risk, where we apply wakalah contracts that require fund managers to strictly follow investors' mandates. Every business proposal is continuously monitored in real time, focusing on feasibility, ethics, and long-term sustainability. Third, in managing technological risk, Barakah Fund uses blockchain technology and encrypted digital wallets to prevent data breaches or unauthorized access. We also conduct regular cybersecurity checks, which maintains backup and ensure system redundancy to protect our platform. Fourth, for regulatory and Sharia risk, which an independent Sharia supervisory board or SSB ensures that all contracts comply with Islamic principle. They issue fatwas, audit activities, and review legal compliance. In addition, we operate with OJK regulation and internal audit and compliance unit to monitor the internal procedures. Lastly, in terms of governance and ethical practices, our board of directors uphold fiduciary duties and strategic oversight. We maintain transparency through interactive dashboards and frequent reporting. Barakah Fund also integrates ESG principles, promoting ethical finance, financial inclusion, and sustainability entrepreneurship, while strictly avoiding riba, qarar, and mashir. To conclude, our multi-layered framework ensures that Barakah Fund remains secure, ethical, and Sharia compliant, delivering long-term value while meeting both financial and spiritual objectives. Now, let me present the potential challenges and solutions faced by Barakah Fund in its early and operational stage. Firstly, the most pressing issue is the lack of awareness among students and aspiring entrepreneurs regarding Islamic digital finance concepts like wakalah and mudarabah. To address this, Barakah Fund will implement extensive financial literacy programs, including workshops, interactive modules, webinars, and mentorships. Second, as a tech-driven Islamic finance platform, Barakah Fund may face credibility challenges, especially in a market used to traditional institutions. To overcome this, the platform will offer real-time dashboards, transparent reporting, and monthly update on Sharia audits and legal compliance to build trust. Third, there is the risk of borrower default, particularly when funding early-stage venture with no collateral. This will be managed through risk-based allocation, peer reviews, and automated credit scoring, along with structured coaching or recipients to ensure sustainability. Fourth, technical challenges such as system failure or user inexperience can hurt usability and confidence. Barakah Fund will ensure system redundancy, intuitive design, and comprehensive support, backed with ongoing testing and cybersecurity audits. Lastly, due to evolving fintech regulations, legal uncertainty remains a challenge. Barakah Fund will work closely with regulatory bodies like OJK and consult legal and Sharia experts to quickly adapt any changes. So in conclusion, with these proactive solutions, BarakahFund is well prepared to navigate obstacles, remain compliant, and provide a reliable ethical platform for Islamic digital finance.
Solution, BarakahFund presents Sharia financing solution for students, young entrepreneur, and halal with blockchain technology, smart contracts, and wakalah and mudharabah scams. This platform guarantees transparency, security, and a fast process without usury, horror, or maisir. In addition to funding, BarakahFund also provides education and mentoring and is strictly supervised by the Sharia Board and in accordance with regulation building an inclusive, sustainable Sharia digital economy ecosystem. Conclusion, BarakahFund is an innovative platform that combines Islamic ethical principles and digital technology to facilitate access to Sharia financing in a fair, safe, and efficient manner. With the support of wakalah and mudharabah contracts and strict Sharia supervision, BarakahFund is able to encourage the growth of halal business, increase Sharia financial literacy, and create positive economic, social, and spiritual impact for society in the digital era.